Guys, if you can see this video, I never buy more to now AI they use. So you are seeing some videos like this and you don't know how to go about it. Let me show you how to use just your picture and make yourself appear in this way. All you need to do is to come to Play Store. After coming to Play Store like this, you come and search for PixVerse. You search for PixVerse. After searching for it, you see it here. Here is the app. I have it inside my phone now. So I don't need to download it again. Or either I'll update it later. So after downloading the app, you come to your phone. You come and see it inside your phone here. Then you open on it. After opening it, you see all this trending template here. Then here is the one that I use. You come and click on it. Click on use template. Then after clicking on use template, it will bring you to your gallery to choose the picture you want to use. To choose the picture you want to use. Let me see if I can use another different picture. Okay, let me use this one that I am even inside room. Let me just use it. Then after clicking on the picture like this, you come and click on create. After clicking on create, you wait for it. As it's loading, you have to wait for it. Okay, it's showing that it's network error. Let's click on it again. Okay, it has finally created. You see, it show up that your video has already been created. So right now you have to go to the video and check it. It has popped up here. Click on it. After clicking on it, or more, you can see magic for yourself now. Or more. Hey. You can see the video I've finally created. So you can click on the arrow at the upper side and download it inside your phone. It has finally downloaded inside my phone. So this is how to go about it. If you learn something here, please like this video, share it, and follow my page for more.